All right. അപ്രതീക്ഷിതമായിട്ട് കൊറോണ രോഗബാധയുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സ്തംഭിച്ചു നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. അത്തരത്തിൽ നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ്സുകളും ഇടയിൽ വെച്ച് നിർത്തേണ്ടി വന്നു. എന്നാൽ ഏതാനും പാഠഭാഗങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് പൂർത്തീകരിക്കേണ്ടതായിട്ടുണ്ട്. 2 ഡയമെൻഷനിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 3 ഡയമെൻഷനിലുള്ള കർവുകളിലെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഫംഗ്ഷനെ ഇൻ്റഗ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഇനിയും ഗ്രീൻസ് തിയറം ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഒരു ലൈൻ ഇൻ്റഗ്രലിനെ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരു ഡബിൾ ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽ ടൈമിൽ ഇവാലുവേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമുക്ക് കാണാനായിട്ടുള്ളത്. സോ വി ക്യാൻ ഗോ ഫോർ what is called Green's theorem, that is already written on the board. Before going to Green's theorem, there are 2 forms for Green's theorems. We need some definitions to define Green's theorem. So first of all, let me define what is called divergence. Okay. Or it has another name called flux density. Okay. Let F be a vector field. We know a vector field means a function defined on the 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional domain whose values are vectors. Okay, let F be a vector field. It may be 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional. We limiting ourselves to 2-dimension and 3-dimension. If it's a 2-dimensional vector field, it has the general form mi plus nj, and if it is 3-dimensional, it has a form mi plus nj plus pk, where m and p are functions of x, y, z. And I have another operator. Its name is called as del operator, so denoted by this symbol. And we have del is equal to dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j plus dou by dou z k. This is called the del operator, and I can use my del operator to define what is called divergence. And the divergence of f is denoted by this one. You may read it as div f or divergence of f, and I can define it as del dot f. So let me go for the general case. This is my del operator, this is my f, then del dot f is nothing but dou m by dou x plus dou n by dou y plus dou p by dou z. In my 2-dimensional case, I have divergence of f is equal to, so at that time my del operator is this much only, and this is my f. At that time divergence of f is equal to dou m by dou x plus dou n by dou y. We can do some examples to find the divergence of vector fields, and I will use this divergence in my Green's theorem in one form, and there is one more form is there. For that I need another concept called Kehl or Kehl vector. It's a vector, and meanwhile divergence is a scalar quantity. So it has another name called circulation density. So I am going for the general case, so we can go for the particular special cases later on. And Kehl of the vector field f is defined as Kehl f is equal to, simply I can define as del cross f, and again my del is here and my f is here, so del cross f is equal to determinant I j k, the cross product of 2 vectors, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, m n p. Okay, all right. So if I expand this along the first row, what I have is dou p by dou y minus dou n by dou z. So dou p by dou y minus dou n by dou z times I plus, so whatever I have. No, usually we have minus j times this one minus this one. but I may use this one, dou m by dou z minus dou p by dou x times j plus what I have is dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y times k. So this is my KL, oh I'm sorry, KL or circulation density. It is a vector function, and if you look at the components, this is I component, this is j component, this is a k component. Especially I can use that k component in my Green's theorem. So the k component of KL, that is, we can see that is nothing but dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. So, and we have two things called divergence as well as KL. Usually, so this is a formula to find KL. These things we can see from the exact differential forms. Okay, and the k component is this one. So let's go for an example, maybe say f is equal to 2x square yi plus x cube z j plus maybe x cube z y square z plus x z cube k. Okay, then what I have is my divergence of f is equal to, this is my m, this is my n, this is my p. So divergence of f is equal to 4xy plus 2x cube yz plus 3xz square, and my curl f is equal to, it is nothing but del cross f, that is equal to determinant I j k dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the components of my f is 2x square y, x cube y square z, and x z cube. So we can evaluate that, and I'm directly evaluating that. That is equal to I times, so this is 0 minus, this is x cube minus x cube z square, and then minus j times, so what I have is z cube minus 0 plus k times, is there any mistake? Something is wrong. X cube y square dou by dou x of, I'm sorry, yeah, it has to be, this is 0 minus this one, yeah, it has to be x cube y square, sorry, this is x cube y square minus j times, this is z cube, and then dou by z of this one, this is independent of z, the derivative is going to be 0 plus k times, this has to be 3x square y square z minus dou by dou y, this is 2x square, and we can write, or this is nothing but minus x cube y square I, maybe minus z cube j plus, yeah, that is nothing, 3x square y square z minus 2x square times k, maybe we'll check this, that is only 2x square, right? Is it correct? No, some mistake is there. Where is that? Just point out. Okay, whatever it is, you may check out it. No, don't look at the formula. So there is a difference in the formula, and I'm expanding my determinant as in the usual way. So that's that. I'm not following this definition blindly. I'm just expanding this determinant. Okay. So this is a simple example to find. This is a random function, and I am just checking out my definitions of divergence and Kehl. So now let's go for the Green's theorems. Keep in mind, you can easily think of Kehl, it is del cross F, and you can think of the K component dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. Meanwhile, the divergence of a two-dimensional field is dou m by dou x minus dou n by, sorry, plus dou n by dou y. Now let's try to state what is called the Green's theorem. Okay, there are two types. So Green's theorem. So you have the flex divergence or flex density. We have the flex divergence form, or called the normal form. So I am not writing the entire statement. So let us C be a simple closed curve in the two-dimensional plane, and R be the region enclosed by the closed curve C. Then what I have is, I know the flex, and F is a vector field. F is a vector field defined on a domain which contains the closed curve C. Then the flex, actually I know the flex as integral over C m dy minus n dx. I already know this is my flex, and Green's theorem says this is equal to double integral over R, actually divergence of F dA, or that is equal to double integral over R, divergence is dou m by dou x plus dou n by dou y dA. This is a double integral. You can choose the order of integration and you can find the limits. R is nothing but the region bounded by the closed curve C. So this is a flex divergence form or normal form of the Green's theorem. We have another form is there, that is called the tangential form. Okay, or the K component flow or circulation Kehl form, whatever it is. Again, have a closed curve C, and the region R is bounded by C, and F is a vector field. Then we know the circulation is integral over C. Actually, this is not the F dot T ds. This is F dot n ds. This is equal to integral over C m dx plus n dy, and Green's theorem says this is equal to double integral over R K component of the Kehl, that we know as dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dA. These are the two forms of Green's theorems. So I can use Green's theorem to find my flex and my circulation in terms of a double integral. So this is so called Green's theorem, and there's two forms.